So let's talk about pen styles, what looks you can write with. I've gone into, this is one of my quick sheets. You can duplicate your quick sheets. So this one I've called reMarkable. If I go in here and I go to my grid view and I've already written up the heading. So all the pens. All right, I'm going to turn it slightly sideways because I write this way. So we're going to do the ballpoint pen, and I liked medium and black because it's easier for you guys to see. So this is, it's very rounded and it's in medium. This is the medium. Then we're going to keep all the settings the same. So this is the fine liner in medium. And let me just show you grey just for the sake of it. That's pretty cool. Now we're going to look at the marker and we're going to go black in medium. The pencil, got to make sure it changes its little self sometimes. So let's have a look at the thick pencil. That's so cool. Let's have a look at medium. And let's go thin. That's a really cool little pencil. Now the mechanical pencil, it's given us thin to start with. So we'll go mechanical. I think you get the idea. That's pretty cool. The paintbrush, medium, black, that's good. So this is the paintbrush. Oh, that went out of control, didn't it? Paint brush, and that was medium. It's quite thick. The thin one, that's the thin. Now the highlighter, don't be fooled by yellow, green, pink. That's when it's exported. That is not here on your machine. All you've got is shades of grey and black. So you know, might as well be black, but they're your options. So this is the highlighter. But if you are exporting a lot, then you can certainly make it in green, and when you export it, that will be the color. This is my favorite. I'm going to go medium. I'll go thick to start with. Calligraphy is a beautiful thing. Let's go medium, show you that. And we'll do grey, just because we like writing in this. That's one of the beautiful things about reMarkable, is the calligraphy pen. So, as you can see, I'm going to go medium, I'm going to go grey, and I'm just going to, I'm a doodler, so there you go. All the pens in the weights and the colours that you can access in your reMarkable device.